Hello there, today I'm going to be showing you how to install a 2.5 inch drive or an SSD into a computer. So I built the computer. If you've seen any of my other videos, you will know this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pull out the drive gauge. There it goes. And you'll see, there. You'll see that you have these smaller screws here, these on here. If I can set it on my keyboard. These screws. There and there. And what those do is that's where you screw your SSD or other 2.5 inch drive in. Then for 3.5 inch on mine, the mounting screws are the other screws on the bottom. So I've already installed it into a driveway. In my case, I'm using a mechanical drive that I pulled out of a laptop. So yeah, we'll get on to that. So first, you're going to want to slide it into the drive bay for safekeeping, instead of just like setting it over here like I did. But either way, and then what you're going to want to do is get your SATA cable. I already have two installed. I installed one once again for simplicity, but it's that one right there. Zoom out. Come on. There you go. Then you'll see the hard drive. It's right there. So I've already run the SATA cable. So SATA data is this one. And that goes into the corresponding little plug here. So this is that plugs in. That one locks, but your SATA power, which is this one, does not. Make sure it's a SATA power, not a Molex. So your SATA power just goes into this one here, which you'll see on my bigger hard drive right there. Okay, it won't focus. Come on. It goes into there. Okay, there. And you just come on. This would be easier if I would put the camera down, or just look off the camera. Look. So you'll see I've got it in, and it like snaps, but it doesn't actually lock. Come on. I'm just trying to get a closer shot. Should have really cable managed this. So if we move my other SATA cable out of the way. So that's what it should look like. So then you compress those cables down to get your side panel back on if you have to. And then you're pretty much installed. Come on, focus. Let's go. And then power your power supply back on. You press the switch. Turn your monitor on, or in my case, TV. Come on, focus. And then once the computer is done booting up. Sorry, I was moving my tripod. Yeah, I'm not gonna just switch over to OBS for this, but which I probably could use the tripod for this part. You know, since my phone has no image stabilization. Go away. I don't like the light. Okay, why is it taking so long? There. So then once you're in, you want to go down to File Explorer. Oop. And then mine is titled Media Server Drive. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So yeah. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.